Acid, Base and Salt. Part 4, CBSE NCERT 10th syllabus. It's a continuation of the previous topic. Coming to the common salt. Common salt is found when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid, NaOH is sodium hydroxide. It forms salt called NaCl. Na sodium, Cl chlorine. So sodium chloride. HCl is acid, sodium hydroxide is a base. It gives rise to neutral salt. Now coming to the chlor-alkali process. Now what is this chlor-alkali process? When electricity is passed through aqueous sodium chloride solution, sodium hydroxide is formed. Aqueous means water. So 2 NaCl plus 2 H2O gives 2 NaOH plus chlorine plus H2. NaCl sodium chloride, H2O water, NaOH sodium hydroxide, Cl2 is chlorine and H2 is hydrogen. This is a picture of chlor-alkali process. Now what is this chlor-alkali process? It's a process by which sodium hydroxide is formed. Now see this setup. Actually brine solution is taken inside. Brine means it's an aqueous sodium chloride solution. Now here you can see two electrodes. One is the anode and another is the cathode. Anode is a positive charged electrode while cathode is a negatively charged electrode. Now here brine sodium chloride aqueous sodium chloride solution is taken into this and you can see the formation of sodium hydroxide. How is it formed? When electricity is passed, the sodium chloride aqueous sodium chloride splits into Na plus, hydrogen ion, Cl minus, OH minus. Chloride ion is formed at the anode, OH minus at the anode, while Na plus at the cathode, hydrogen ion at the cathode. So in the end you get the formation of sodium hydroxide. Na plus reacts with OH minus to form NaOH. Sodium hydroxide is formed. Along with it, you can see the byproduct formed a chlorine gas Cl2 and the hydrogen gas H2. This is known as chlor-alkali process. Of different types of salts. The first one, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is formed when calcium hydroxide reacts with chlorine to form calcium oxychloride plus water. CaOCl2 is the bleaching powder. CaOH twice is the calcium hydroxide. It's reacting with chlorine gas to form bleaching powder CaOCl2 calcium oxychloride with water. Now what is the use of this bleaching powder? It's used in textile industry, paper factory, laundry and to free drinking water from germs, meaning to kill the germs in drinking water. Now second example, baking soda. Now how is this baking soda formed? Sodium chloride reacts with water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia to form ammonium chloride plus sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is a baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate splits into sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. Now what's the use of this baking soda or baking powder? It's used for making baking powder. Sodium bicarbonate plus hydrogen ion gives carbon dioxide plus water plus sodium salt of acid. And it can be used as an antacid and as fire extinguisher. Soda. Washing soda is sodium carbonate 10H2O. Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate with 10H2O water molecules of 10 water molecules. It's used in glass industry, paper industry and soap industry to manufacture borax. It can be used as a cleaning agent and to remove permanent hardness of water. Now what is water of crystallization? It's the fixed number of water molecule present in one formula unit of a salt. Copper sulfate crystals on heating loses water and turns the blue color to white. Hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4.5H2O. Here 5 water molecules. Gypsum. Gypsum is calcium sulfate 2H2O. CaSO4 is calcium sulfate with 2 water molecules. Used to make plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, gypsum on heating loses water to form CaSO4 half H2O. This is known as plaster of Paris. Now what is its use? It's used for making toys. It is used for fractured bones and materials for decoration. CaSO4 half H2O plus 1.5 water molecule gives CaSO4 2H2. CaSO4 is calcium sulfate. Plaster of Paris is a white powder which when treated with water turns into gypsum again. So gypsum, you can form plaster of Paris, and from plaster of Paris back to gypsum. Thank you.